a queen, surrounded by 100,000 eyes. And if you look into the mirror, you'll get a big surprise. The feeling that your head is in the skies. I got me on the run. The devil's high concerning over me. I feel my time has come. I realize the devil's after me. There's a secret sauce of mystery that's flowing me around. The picture of the queen has started to move. And if you realize the danger that the devil's lurking near, these are the secret sauces of my fear.